Hey, alright guys, I welcome you all. In this video I'm going to show you how you can download TikTok video with your mobile phone. The first step is for you to go on Google Play Store, search for IDM Plus. As you can see, I have installed the IDM Plus on my mobile phone. Just try to install the app on your phone first. After you might have installed the IDM Plus, you have the options either to log into your TikTok account via this IDM Plus, or you can go on your TikTok app and look for the video in which you want to download. Now I want to download this video. Now let me just click on share like this. Now click on copy link. After you might have copied the link, go on the IDM Plus then which you have installed on your phone. Now paste the link on the IDM Plus. This is the link. Click on go on your keyboard. Now you will be given options to download video. As you can see, you have two options. There's either to open TikTok or not. Since I don't want to open the TikTok now, click on not now. Now as you can see, now the upper part of this app here, you see where you have one red color here. Click on it. Now you will give options to download the video. Click on this moving this. You can name the video to anything that you want and click on start. That is how to download. You can see this is the video. Now let me return back to IDM Plus. Now as you can see, this is the video. Now it's going now, downloading. The downloading has completed. Now you can let me play the video so that you can see. This is the video in which you copy the link on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, click on subscribe button, like this video and share this video to your friend. See you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.